Hey guys, how you doing? All right, let's talk about what's the easiest way to promote LiveGood. Okay, if you're in LiveGood already, awesome, good choice. And if you're not, I want you to just sit back, get yourself a little drink, and I want you to watch a 6-minute video. Okay, I'll keep this video nice and short, and I'm going to go ahead and just shrink myself up here on the bottom right of your screen. And why don't I just pop up my business card here? All right, this is what I made on Vistaprint. Okay, I bought this joincory.com from GoDaddy, and I invite everyone to either type this in or click this link, below the video, and you're going to go to this page right here. All right, this is the LiveGood capture page. If you join LiveGood, this is yours. You can customize it too. See this orange little stripe up here where it says Cory Draper's website? You can put whatever you want there. I just put my name. My email address is cory@corydraper.com. And I like having my name even in the domain because what do I want you guys to do? I want you guys to join me. Okay, so I bought Join Cory. I bought joincorynow.com. I also bought Work with Cory. And then my name is Cory Draper, so I bought that as well. So I just went on a spending spree, and it wasn't too much money because when I bought all these domains, they were available. They were brand new, so they're about $11. And then I just have GoDaddy for free bounce to this page because I want everyone to watch this 6-minute video. It's perfect. I've signed 401 people up just by inviting people to watch. People will put in their name and email address, click, open their email and join LiveGood. Or in the next 30 days, they're going to get 1 email a day from LiveGood. All right, they have a built-in autoresponder. You don't have to worry about a thing. And trust me, the emails are well written. There's a lot of times where a month or two goes by, I have somebody join, and I go, God, how'd you find out about LiveGood? They're like, oh, I looked at it a couple months ago, but I kept getting emails from you, and I thought, I'm going to go ahead and join. So an autoresponder for 30 days with a well-written email message, awesome. Okay, autoresponders are great. All right, so thanks, guys, for putting your name and email address in there. And remember, if you want to opt out, you can opt out and go on your way if LiveGood is not for you, okay? What's important, I think, is to know what the products are. Not only the opportunity, but what are the products for real? And I just invite you, go to livegood.com and click the products tab and just go through everything. Check it out. Hit the white rectangle boxes. You can see the ingredients, how to use the products, and how much the pricing is wholesale or retail. Couple bucks shipping and boom. But look at how many products we have now. We have about 11 to 12 coming out just in the next, February and March of 2025. All right, so about 6 more per month. But look at that. We have packages, and at the bottom, even if you want a shirt or a hat or a hoodie, it's wintertime here in Utah when I'm making this video, so sometimes a hoodie and a beanie are kind of cool. I also invite everybody not only just to look at the products, but go to the FAQ. Okay, I think the FAQ answers most of your questions. Because if you join LiveGood, you're going to want to know just how do you market? How do you advertise? Okay? But here's the meat and potatoes questions. So definitely go to the FAQ, go to the products, and then at the end of the web, well, I guess you'd say the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom of the web page, it's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Okay, the word affiliate sometimes is deleted because it's too long for your cell screen. Okay, so pay plan. And you can see the page says affiliate here in green. Okay, here's the 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. But I recommend go to the bottom, just watch the YouTube video. It explains everything why we are just unique. We are a membership-based website like, Amazon Prime. Of course, you've heard of Costco and probably Netflix and all these other great businesses where a membership gets you cool stuff. That's how LiveGood is. When you spend $9.95 a month, you get everything wholesale. Okay, so buy wholesale and just use the products yourself. Or if you want to resell them, LiveGood's like, hey, if you got a gym, an Amazon store, or pack them in your car. I always think in the back of your trunk, all right? Or if you have a car, maybe the back seat, you could just have some really nice LiveGood products that maybe friends, family, or they're just people that you meet might want to buy, okay? The products sell themselves. They're insanely great. How I got involved in LiveGood was buying super reds, super greens, and amino acid punch. I always point, you can see my little mini fridge, see the white containers there. Even the organic coffee, I think you can see on top of the little white containers of red, super reds and super grains. this is the best part. This is what made me a big fan. Not only are our products organic, but if you don't like the products for 30, 60, 90 days, 3 months, 90 days, no questions asked. Where's my CBD oil? I always like to show my little CBD. If I have this CBD and I just unscrew it and I pour all the little CBD juice out, and I'm just like, well, it's empty. If I do it within 90 days of purchase, send it back to Jupiter, Florida. Once receiving gets this, I get a full refund. Even if I use all the CBD oil, even if you gobble up all the protein powder, the magnesium, the E3, we have a lot of stuff, guys. Just go to the products tab, check it out. But please look at the ingredients. It's important to know what you're putting in your guts. Okay, we have the best ingredients. They're the highest grade, and believe it or not, our ingredients are the most expensive in each product. But guess what? We're the cheapest because we're wholesale. For $9.95 a month, we are a wholesale company. And if you want to be an affiliate like myself that puts cash in my pocket to pay for all this stuff, $40 one and done. Two $20 bills. Do you have a 20? Maybe there's one over here. All right, maybe I got a 20 in my pocket. But I'll tell you what, for $40, that's the best 40 you're ever going to spend. And it's the only time you're going to spend it. All right, you're an affiliate for life after that 40. The only way you can get rid of yourself is to call, or not call, you email support@LiveGood. I don't want to be an affiliate anymore. But isn't it nice to know you don't have to buy any products, especially $100 to $500 of products a month to qualify to earn commissions, a paycheck with LiveGood. We're not that company. Okay, we're a membership based. So I recommend just do what I do. Keep it short, keep it fun. Maybe get yourself a custom domain. All right, you don't have to copy me, but for some reason, what I'm doing, it seems to work. Okay, which is kind of mind-blowing for me because I only have barely 2 years experience doing this, but I'm very successful keeping it simple. All right, so if you're interested in joining, I'm going to send you a nice email that shows you, tells you everything I do. All right, and I want you to copy me. All right, why not? It's working now. So joincory.com. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do an insane amount of videos per day, usually like 4, 5, 6 brand new videos a day, sometimes more than that. That just complements LiveGood, how to be successful. Obviously, you want to make money, but I hope you try the products too. I think they're going to make a difference and make you feel good, okay? All right, guys, thanks for your time. All right, live good, feel great. All right, we'll talk to you next video. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.